Hello students, this is DMA040. Welcome to the course, and this video is specifically designed to help you access and work with vignettes. Vignett is a tutorial that we're going to use in this course that is a miniature video, normally on average 5 minutes in length, can be as little as a minute, but can be as big as long as 15 minutes. Most of the vignettes in this course are right around 5-6 minutes long. Now, when you start off with the course, normally you take a pre-test course evaluation with the course. But in this course, this pre-test has been disabled, and the students that will participate in the study will take the Compass exam at the testing center within the next day or two. And now, with the pre-course evaluation, you had to take that. You could not take the homework before you took this pre-course evaluation. But the way this course is set up, you can go ahead and access the homework, and you can still take the Compass exam within the next day or two. Okay, now let's say this is Module 4, Homework Assignment 1. You'll see this pops up. Now this one here shows the readiness assessment, but you should not see that. That should be disabled. But so we're going to go ahead and continue with that. Now this is known as the overview, and it lists all the homework problems and also shows all the vignettes. And most of the times you'll go straight to the homework, but this went right to the overview to start with. Now most students tend to have the homework like on a half screen like this, which is fine. And here we have the first homework problem. Now let's say that we are having some trouble with this problem. What we can do is we can go to right here where it says View Instructor Tip. You can click that, and it shows which a placard will pop up, and it tells us which vignette to go to. In this case, it says to go to tape number 9. So we close that out, and we go to Overview, and here's tape number 9, and we just click that, and there it is. And we're going to go ahead and increase that. Now, there's 3 ways to control the volume on the vignette. I'm going to go ahead and turn this on. One way.
Introduction to variables and algebraic expressions.
Here is our video starting. Now, one way
we're going
if you
go
want
over
to
these
control
definitions.
the volume is see the speaker down here.
A variable.
I'm going to turn this down so I'm not competing with my own vignette. One way to control the volume is down here at the bottom. This is right off of YouTube. There's a little speaker here that you can increase or decrease the volume on. See, now you can hear it.
Basically,
I'm going to go ahead and decrease that volume again. Now, a second way to see the volume, to control the volume, is in the lower right-hand corner of the screen. You see a little speaker icon, and you can control the volume that way, up and down. And then if you have this speaker muted, it'll show like a circle with a line through it. Most people know that. Some people don't. But anyways, that's a second way to control the volume. A third way is to control the speaker on your desktop. There's a volume control right there on the speaker that you can. Some of speakers are on this volume control is on the top. It's like a little wheel. Some are on the side. It's like a knob, and you can control it. That's a third way to control it. Now the laptops, most of them just have either the icon on the screen or the volume control from YouTube. But RCC computers, the desktops, some of them, the volume control is on the monitor or on the side. and you can the screen of the on the outside of the monitor, and so you can. That's another way that you can control the volume with some of the RCC computers. Okay, so let's exit out of this vignette. All right, and we continue on, different problem, and we're going through it, and we're doing fine with the homework. And here we go. Here we have a problem, and you can see that this instructor tip popped up right away. It says, please see tape 20. Well, we're going to go ahead and close it, and we're going to work through the problem, and we're going to think, okay, now I need some help with this, and we want to go to view instructor tip. You know, if we need to, it says, please see tape 20. Now, if you have a full screen like this, you can access overview with the upper right button that way, and then we can go down and see tape 20 and click that, and there it is, and we select it, and we can watch that video. And again, I'm going to deselect that so you don't hear two of me going at the same time. And there we go. We watch the video, and you see this video, the vignette is only 2 minutes 45 seconds. It gives you just enough information to help you with the video, and then you get out and you can work the problem. Okay. Now let's take a look at the points. Sometimes students are concerned about, they see these points here. Now most of the times each question is just 1 point each. But here we have, each question is 99 points. So normally for 21 questions, you get 21 points. Well, for 21 questions here, you get 99 points. And so that's actually 2,079 points. Now, whether you get all of them right, if you get 21 on 21, that's still 100. If you get less than that, like if you missed one problem, that's 1980 out of 2079. And you can see that the points, whether it's 20 out of 21, with 1 point or 99 points each, the percentage is still the same. It's still a 95 and so on. Now, notice down here the vignettes are only 1 point each. So if a student doesn't watch most of the videos, or any of them even, then here this is only 20 out of 2,000, so that's 1%. So which is insignificant. And no matter if you did that with one assignment or all of them, that's not going to hurt your grade any. So studies have shown that these vignettes have significantly improved students' performance. And this has been used with education in the medical field and in other areas as well, and they've shown to be significant improvement in how people that watch them can improve their understanding. And from what I've seen in students that have used these vignettes in the classroom, that once they see that they help them, then they use them over and over and over again, and they use them in all the courses, and I see them using them all the time. So I highly encourage you, give these vignettes a chance, let them help you out. The biggest problem students have is just finding out that they're there, and so that's the purpose of this video. And so I'm sure that once you see that these videos, vignettes help you out, that you'll be using them all the time. Please let me know if you have any questions. My name is Mr. Janczak. Please ask your instructor if you have any questions, and we'll be happy to help you out. And have a good day. Thank you very much.